very good evening to an event where all the heat is. So are you all ready? I actually could hear a lot of things backstage, so I know. Are you all, okay, let me introduce myself. I am Dhwani Mittal, your host for this evening. And once again, let me tell you, well, this is the KS Miss Maxim 2014 Grand Finale. So guys, are you all ready for some excitement? Are you all? Where all the young guys are? Let me see. Are you all ready for something hot here? Yeah, no, louder. This is not good enough. Come on, guys. Are you all set to see the gorgeous, sexy chicks on the stage? Fantastic. Well, that's the energy I want here. And the girls over here, let me tell you, well, as the evening unfolds, trust me, you're going to be very, very jealous because trust me.
I guess what he's also trying to say is that Maxim and KS are really good together because we're like your secret key, who's the director operations of this hotel and who's been very kind to us tonight to allow us to set up all this.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ridhima Shishupal from Mumbai. I'm 23 years old and I'm pursuing my master's in communications and journalism. And I'm all here to win. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Judges. My name is Kangana Sharma. I'm 23 years of age. I'm here to win this show and I will be for sure. So have a lovely evening. Thank you so much.
Good evening,
Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Swapnala Gupta. I'm an anchor and a model by profession, and I also do voiceovers sometime. And writing is my new passion, and I hope you get to see my work soon. Here at Miss Maxim, I would like to thank KS Energy Drink and, of course, Miss Maxim to give me this opportunity, because every competition gives you an opportunity to refine yourself as a person, and I'm sure in this competition, I'm going to be a better performer, a better person. So thank you very, very much. And this time, I'm sure, I don't know about the title, but of course, I'm going to win many hearts along with the title. Thank you very, very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Chandrika Ravi. I am Indian, born in Australia, living in Los Angeles. I'm actually one of the few Indian actresses in Hollywood, so it's only natural that I come to Hollywood to take the next step. So thank you all for having me.
So tell me, who do you think that you are? This time, you know that you took it too far. So tell me, who do you think that you are?
Well, no, I think we'll just announce second runner-up now. Second runner-up is Kangana. And please come up on stage to get the award.
Come on guys, let's hear it. And don't be quiet. Put your hands together. She gets a crown and a sash. Congratulations to the lovely lady.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep,
Why don't you look at the camera, please?
rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
don't you walk the ramp, please, once?
I'm just dancing. I'm just sleeping.
दोस्तों इससे ज़्यादा शोरगुल आपको कर सकते हैं, I know that. Come on, everybody.
I'm just raving. I'm just
Okay.
beating.
Great.
And on, and on, and on.
Okay. Chandrika. Please, I'd like our judge, Radhika Karle. She got late because of me. I gave her the wrong venue. Sorry about that. And also Priyanka Bose, please.
Two gorgeous girls. Give it a crowd in fashion. Not a beautiful girl. Many congratulations to you. Come on, everybody, please put your hands together for the first runner-up. Congratulations.
Okay, and I think this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm not going to take too much time. The Prachi, of course, and Mr. Walia. Please do come. And Rocky is hiding somewhere. Ah, there you are. There you are. Congratulations, Sapna. Thank you. Somebody else. Okay, right. I'd like to thank all the judges for being here. Of course, Swapnila does get a starring role in GS Productions, Mr. Bunty Walia's film production company. She also gets a wardrobe makeover from Rocky. No, she doesn't. I get a wardrobe makeover from Rocky. Also, Prachi, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for crowning the Miss Max in 2014. I'd like to call on stage Mr. Ranju Mohan, who's the business head and director of JK Ansel. Mr. Ranju, could you please? Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, that is actually the key to an actual car, which the winner of Miss Maxim 2014 will get. So please, a huge round of applause for that as well.
Okay, I would request the first runner-up, second runner-up to please join us on the stage, as we have all our judges here. All the judges, please, I want you all here. I was thinking I'm going to call you for a photo op.
The Kardashians got the root ties. You ain't landing on the wrong scene. You ain't hiding on my vibe. Told the bar that we don't need no sparkles, and I just keep the ball standing moonlight. Yeah, so cool the verb freak out. You gotta hit the big 3 out. I like he's trying to fool the beat out. That's too short, I need to be out.
Well, I would also like to request the director of Hilton Hotel, Mr. Mehtab Siddiqui, director, so to please join us here on the stage. All our judges, I request you please come back on the stage. We need your photographs with all the winners here. Congratulations to all the three winners.
I think we're about done here. I'd just like to thank all the judges once again. Rocky, yes, Mr. Bunty Walia, Ranjumon Kamasutra, Radhika, sorry for making you late. My F up, really, I'm so sorry. I gave it the wrong venue, so there we are. Priyanka Bose, Mr. Subi Samuel who's hiding at the back, Nishka, Mr. Siddiqui, and of course, Prachi Desai. Full night. I have spoken more than the MC for the first time in my life, and I have promised myself I will never do it again. Thank you all. A very good night to everyone.
It's pretty fantastic. यहाँ पर लड़कियों को इतना बड़ा platform मिला था. I guess they were really excited, and as judges, I think it's wonderful for us to feel that we're giving somebody an opportunity. I wish all the girls all the best, and congratulations to the winners.
कितना बड़ा ये दिन है आपके लिए, आपके करियर के लिए कि आपको मिस मैगजीन बन गए.
सबसे पहले तो I would like to introduce myself. This is Swapnila, new Miss Maxim 2014. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है because I never expected that I'm gonna win. और जब बिना एक्सपेक्टेशन के आप जीते हो तो खुशी कुछ ज़्यादा होती है.
अभी आप जो है फिल्म में भी मौका मिलेगा आपको इंशाल्लाह, तो फिर कितनी खुशी उस चीज़ को लेकर आप?
I think I've been preparing for that day और वो दिन आ गया है, so उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी बात नहीं हो सकती. And अब I'm just ready to work in rock.
जी आप क्या कहना चाहिए? कहीं ना कहीं सोनाक्षी और वहाँ पर जब लोग बैठे हुए थे तो सब लोग आपको कहीं ना कहीं भाषा गए.
She can't understand Hindi.
What was the question?
Our question is that people were telling that they were comparing you with Bipasha Basu and Sonakshi.
Right.
So big actresses.
I'm absolutely flattered. Being born in Australia, I grew up watching Bollywood films my whole life, and being told I look from Bipasha from a young age pushed me even more to represent India all around the world. And right now, I'm one of the only Indian actresses working in Hollywood, and I'm so proud to represent my country and my culture. And it's a huge blessing and a huge compliment and everything.
Well, I want to introduce myself first of all. This is Kangana Sharma. I'm from Haryana actually. एंड ये दिन मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड कि मेरा हो जाएगा. आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट, बट स्टिल आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू सो मच.
How much confident you all were in fact, like when you entered, were you confident with what thought you had in mind, like you will be winning this competition? What was it?
First of all, I was shivering actually, and when I entered, then I was fine. Yeah, I have to do it anyhow because I have to win this show. So I was so confident enough, but so now here you can see guys.
ज़िंदगी में हर वक्त जब आप सो के उठते हो, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस हर चीज़ को करने के लिए ज़रूरी होता है. एंड आई वोंट से इस दिन आई थिंक बहुत बड़े बड़े मुकाम है ज़िंदगी में हासिल करने के लिए. एंड आई बीन प्रिपेयरिंग माई सेल्फ फॉर दिस डे एंड मैनी अदर डेज टू कम. So, yes.
ये बताइए कि जब बॉलीवुड में एक्ट्रेस आती हैं तो बिकनी जब पहनती है तो एक हुआ बन जाता है. यहाँ तो आप लोगों ने शुरुआत भी उस चीज़ से की है, तो बॉलीवुड में अगर इस तरह का किरदार आपको मिलता है तो किसके साथ करना भी चाहेंगे और करने के लिए कितनी सहमत हैं?
आई एम श्योर आप लोग बाज़ार में जाते हैं, दुकान में जाते हैं, तो यू हैव सीन मैनी विमेन जो कि बिकिनी पहनी होती हैं। तो ऐसा कुछ नया नहीं है जो यहाँ पर लोगों को पता नहीं है। जब फिल्मों की बात होती है तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल अबाउट अ स्टोरी एंड अ कैरेक्टर। हर फिल्म में बिकनी नहीं पहनी जाती है, जहाँ पर ज़रूरत होती है, जहाँ पर ऐसा मौका होता है, वहीं पर एक्ट्रेसेस पहनती है। एंड आई थिंक हमारी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस, दे आर सो क्लासी दैट दे हैव कैरीड दिस पर्टिकुलर अटायर सो वेल दैट आई थिंक आगे भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए कि वल्गैरिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, खूबसूरती होनी चाहिए।
तो आपको क्या लगता है बॉलीवुड के लिए ये एक
main aim is Bollywood. What is it like for all of you all?
For myself, being born in Australia and living in America, Bollywood is the embodiment of color, liveliness, culture, religion, beauty. It's everything. When you speak to someone who is of a Western culture and you say Bollywood, they automatically think of Slumdog Millionaire and beautiful songs and movies and Aishwarya Rai and everything beautiful. And that's what Bollywood is. Bollywood just isn't a movie or a song. It's a way of life. It's the way we live our lives. It's color. It's everything.
You know, you always want to be a Bollywood actress or something else.
I have started my career as a radio jockey, लेकिन उसके भी पहले I was an engineering student. So ये कहना गलत होगा कि सिर्फ वही एक एम है, बट यस अगर हम किसी प्रोफेशन में आए हैं तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम उसको ऊंचाइयों, हम ना सिर्फ हम ऊंचाइयों तक पहुँचे बट उस प्रोफेशन को भी ऊंचाइयों तक पहुँचाएं, देश के बाहर लेके जाएं कि बॉलीवुड सिर्फ रंगीन कलर्स और ऐश्वर्या राय और अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं होना चाहिए। बॉलीवुड होना चाहिए, इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री होना चाहिए अबाउट क्लास, अबाउट आर्ट, अबाउट ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म्स एंड इट्स बेसिकली आर्ट। सो
यस, मेरे लिए जैसे कि आप लोगों ने बोला था कि बिकनी पहनना, मैं हरियाणा से और मैं ऐसे आई मीन आपने सुना होगा हरियाणा के बारे में कि कितने मतलब कैसे स्ट्रिक्ट लोग होते हैं वहाँ पे, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मैंने आंखों में शर्म होनी चाहिए, बिकनी पहनने से कुछ नहीं होता है। मैंने अपने लिए स्टेप उठाया, मैं दिल्ली आई, उसके बाद फिर मैं अभी मुझे 1.5 महीना हुआ यहाँ पे सिर्फ आए हुए और अब मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, तो मेरे लिए बहुत मैटर करता है। और बॉलीवुड का रहा सवाल, वो आगे करना है और बहुत आगे तक जाना है। थैंक यू सो मच।
लास्ट आखिरी सवाल आप तीनों से, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस बनना एक आसान काम नहीं है बिकॉज कंपटीशन अभी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है। तो अगर इन केस खुदा ना खालसा अगर आपका बॉलीवुड करियर इसमें नहीं चला तो
अब वो तो भगवान के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, लेकिन हम अपना बेस्ट पूरा देंगे।
चलो आपसे एक सवाल, एक आखिरी सवाल ये है कि आपकी इंस्पायरिंग एक्ट्रेस कौन है? Who is inspiring actress in Bollywood?
For myself, I really can't pick one. I not knowing Hindi, I just have to read the subtitles and go off their faces. And so many of them. Right now, Deepika Padukone is my favorite. She's the embodiment of everything a woman is. The beauty, the talent, the richness of our culture. She represents Indian women all around the world. And I think she's the perfect person to look at right now.
Yeah.
To me, I have been always inspired by Aishwarya Rai because when I was a kid, मेरी मम्मी, मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करती थी और वो मिस वर्ल्ड बनी थी, तो मेरी मम्मी कहती थी ऐश्वर्या राय को देखो, उसकी तरह बनो। तो वो knowingly unknowingly हमेशा से मेरे दिमाग में रही, and I have always followed her. And unlike many other, I won't take names, but unlike many other actresses who would go outside India and maybe वो और भी चीज़ों के लिए जानी जाती है, I think ऐश्वर्या राय ने देश के बाहर जाके पूरे क्लास को और इंडियन वैल्यूज़ को मेंटेन करते हुए जो रिप्रेजेंट किया है हमारी कंट्री को, आई थिंक दैट इज़ समथिंग शी हैज़ बीन इंस्पायरिंग मी एंड शी विल कंटिन्यू इंस्पायर मी।
मेरे लिए जो इंस्पायर, वैसे तो मेरे लिए सभी सेम है, लेकिन मेरे लिए जो सबसे इंस्पायर रही हैं, जिनसे मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला है, वो है विद्या बालन। और आफ्टर डर्टी पिक्चर उसके बाद तो वो मेरी आइडल ही हैं उसके बाद, क्योंकि उन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया था कि इंसान कितना भी मोटा हो लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी ही कैन एक्ट एंड शी कैन एक्ट। तो मेरे लिए विद्या बालन है और मैं यहाँ पे हूँ अपनी मम्मी का और अपना सपना पूरा करने के लिए। तो लेट्स सी, लॉन्ग वे टू गो।